Hello and welcome to this presentation of Mobile2Sage. My name is Ara Martirossian and I'm going to show you how to create a purchase order on an iPad and import it into Sage. So what's Mobile2Sage? Well, it's an architecture which allows you to share office information with remote users, predominantly on iPhones, iPads, Macs, PCs or browsers. It works both online and offline, and it works both in and out of Sage. It works on any version of Sage, and there's no need for you to upgrade. So in this demo, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the iPad app, pick a supplier, create a purchase order, which is available on the professional plan, which also allows you to do sales orders and product invoices and things like that. And then that generates an Excel spreadsheet, which is emailed to the accounts PC, where it's automatically imported. And then we'll then just dive into Sage and have a look at that purchase order. So here's my iPad app. I'm going to go to the menu, go to Professionals, and pick up the supplier. And this is a list of all the suppliers that I've got in Sage, and I'll just pick the top one, Concept. And from here I can look at addresses, I can look at their price lists and things like that, but for now I'll just keep it simple and I'll just raise a purchase order. First thing is I'll give it a reference, Ara 1601, and I'll then go and, I don't know, put some stuff on here, and I'll go buy 25 of those. Oh, not 235, 25. And I'll add that to the purchase order, and I could obviously add as many of those as I want. And I'll save that. Now, I can check the delivery addresses in case I wanted to send it somewhere else, but what I'm also going to do is I'm going to send an order acknowledgement or a purchase order to the supplier, and there it is, it's going off to the supplier, and there's details of the purchase order, including the product, the quantity, the price, and the image, which is very useful. Okay, that's it. So that purchase order has now gone off, and what I can do here is go back to my list, and I can see the top one, which is the purchase order I've just raised, reference Ara 1601, has a status of new, so that hasn't been sent to Sage yet. So what I'll do is I'll press that email button at the top. As you can see, an email has now been generated with an Excel spreadsheet attached to it with details of that purchase order. That's now being sent off to the Sage accounts machine, where it will be automatically imported into Sage. So let's go and have a look at that. There it is. That's what's happening in the background. The purchase order is just being imported into Sage, and what we'll do in a second is, there it is, it's finished. Let's go and have a look at it in Sage. So if I go into Sage and just refresh that, there it is, purchase order 31, reference Ara 1601, and it's on iPad reference 361. If I open that up, there it is, there's the 25 product 1000 tapes that I ordered. And if I go and have a look at the order details, that's where it's going to be shipped to. Really, really simple. So, just to summarize, I went on the iPad, I picked my supplier, created a purchase order. That then emailed off an Excel spreadsheet to the accounts department, where it was automatically imported into Sage. And then we went into Sage and had a look at the purchase order. So what are the key features of Mobile2Sage? Well, you can create pretty much any day-to-day transaction on the road. Sales orders, quotes, invoices, and in this case we did a purchase order. iPhones and iPads are ideal for capturing things like timesheets and expenses, and they come with very good cameras, so we can use that camera to do barcode scanning. They're also ideal for capturing signatures, so there's a separate video which shows proof of delivery application whereby the customer signs for their deliveries. It's also important to note that it works in both directions, so it can both take data out of Sage as well as import information into it. So in short, Mobile2Sage is Sage on the go. In terms of key benefits, well, it's very quick and easy to set up, typically less than half a day. It's very cost effective and comes with a free trial, so please feel free to contact us to arrange yours. It works on any version of Sage, so there's no need for you to upgrade, and it allows you to basically share data with staff, customers, suppliers, and stakeholders. It's very powerful yet flexible, and it's used a lot in scenarios where companies use paper forms, and it allows you to change that paper form into a very nice custom app, which then gets imported into Sage. So it's very easy to set up prototype. So if you have got any paper forms that you'd like to automate, then please let us know, and we can discuss that further with you. Thank you very much for your time and interest in Mobile2Sage and this presentation of creating a purchase order on iPad and importing it into Sage. We very much look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.